Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the military vessels on the Marine Radar application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. At the left side on the screen, go to the filter icon below the star button, and in the vessel type section you can find the sixth option, the military, and just click to the white square icon. And new the military vessels is displayed on your map. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.